We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy and we put 6.4 as our target. We mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 6.4 because if we mention if the price cannot break, mostly we can look at this one for flat for one more drop. And this is exactly what we get. Now we want to see what's the next and how we can look for trade. First, we start with higher time frame. We start with daily chart. The only thing is based on daily chart, we get this sharp move and this correction. We want to see if we can look for continuation or not. And in this case, we move to forward chart. And the only thing is based on forward chart, we see we have this correction. The best thing is if the price break the previous low, we conform with this move. Then from there, we look for buy. That means if we get any trade set up for buy, this is what we are looking for. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if we want to put this one as a flat, then the best thing is we get one more drop with the breakout of this low. Then any reversal from there, we look for buy. And mostly, if this happen, the next one can retest the previous top. Okay. And even if we put the look at this one, we can expect this one tend to internal flat for one more drop. Okay. That's why we want to put this one as a flat, as a one correction, and the last move. Even the last move, we look at this one as an internal flat. All right. Then this is what we're looking for, and this is what we prefer. Sell, we even if we want to look for sell, we can look for, but it's a short-term trade. It depends on the traders because if you want to look for sell, the only way is to put the entry here and the price drop. In terms of the risk and reward, it doesn't give us a really good trade setup. Okay, this is the first option how we can look for buy. We will look at this one as a flat. Then how about if the price reverse from here? Then at that times we need to look at this one differently. We put this one as a first move. We put this one as a internal correction for one more drop before we get the reversal. That means two ways we can look at this since most of the charts they have a similar movement. Okay, that means if the price reverse from here, the only way to look for trade, we get the sharp move flag, we take the trade with the breakout of this top, we start to manage, or we can have entry above this top in case the price sharply reverse. Okay, but having entry above the top is not a really good idea because with the breakout of this top we have to start to manage it. But anyway, whoever wants to have entry above here, what we want the price sharply break and continue, and if the price tag we see is not moving within 1 or 2 hours, we take out the trade. That's mean if the price reverse from here, the best way is we take the flag, we look for buy. But if the price reverse from here, mostly we can expect this 110 to internal correction as a flag correction flag flat, and this one will be the first move correction for one more drop. Okay, that's why I mentioned if the price drop from here, and it can give us better reversal because that one can be a long-term reversal. And right now we're looking at this one. If we get the correction here for flat, mostly we can expect to get one more drop. Anyway, we don't have, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup, I will share. Thanks.